Happy New Year! Wait, we still have time. We still have time for nail art. Hi guys, I am so late getting this up. I have to do this all impromptu, this voiceover, so I hope I do okay keeping up. It's on the fly because I am late to the party. Anyway, that first frame you saw, I put on my Bring It On base coat to prevent staining, and now I'm putting on a layer of G-Force X because we're going to be burnishing first the Holo Mojo Pure Holochrome powder, and that will be our canvas for this beautiful tutorial. And you want to touch it. I can't seem to stop touching it. Ooh, let me touch it some more. Help, I can't stop touching it. Actually, you really do have to touch it a lot. Make sure you touch it a lot because you don't want it to be sticky wet. You just want it to be a little bit tacky. Then you'll go in and you'll start burnishing and kind of doing it lightly, and then you can do it a little bit harder, and then you can buff the wood. Yeah, after you know it's set pretty well, you can start buffing it really hard right there and making sure that that flare is coming out. Don't buff it too hard though. You know, you still have to be somewhat gentle with it. And then you'll want to do all your nails, getting them all ready for your design. I'm using my REM Super Holo nail polish for this, and I'll be using my cold brush as well. And I made a big mistake. I did not practice at all how the heck do flares really look, starburst or skyrocket flares. So it looked like poo. So I had to go back to the drawing board. I had to say poo because I can't say sh or cr or anything like that. So I just have to say it looked like poo. Anyway, so I looked up how do these Skyrocket firework thingies really look. So I saw pictures and they all had one thing in common. They all had this hollow center. Not hollow like holographic. They had a void in the middle, as you can see there. They're empty in the middle right there. So don't do crisscross lines because it'll end up looking like poo. So what you'll want to do now is take the gold, and that was my cold brush nail polish, and you'll want to just kind of accent kind of alongside where you made the black flares. You'll kind of go alongside. You can't really tell too much that it's gold in this because the lighting and the camera and the overpowering holo is just kind of drowning it out, but the gold is more prominent in person. It looks really nice. And then I went back in with a little bit more black to give it more of that flare look, like it was exploding. Yes, it needs to look like exploding. Anyway, but you don't want to overdo it. Now there's this little stubby brush I used. I have no idea what that is either. Somebody gave these to me as a gift. And you'll want to do some little, just tiny little tiny swooshes. And little dots, a little another swoosh. But don't overdo it because then it'll just be overdone. It'll look like poo. So then after it's dry, you'll go over it with top coat. I used my Marvel, and then you get to sprinkle all the magic. This is the Holo candy, and that's what really brings out this manicure. It is so beautiful. And there's the final look with cleanup. Looks pretty good, huh? And then I wanted to just warn you, do not set your art brushes down in thinner because it makes a big mess. But I was smart enough to do a plastic lining over my pretty paper. Talk about a major hot flash. This'll do it to you. I hear it's gonna be really cold in some of these areas of the country. I'm moving to a place called Powell pretty soon, Powell, Wyoming, and it's -1 right there, right now, right there, right now. And I heard that Fargo, North Dakota is gonna be -40. Are you kidding me? How can anybody survive in that? Oh my goodness. Let me show you my little weather thing. Fargo, oh my gosh, right now, look at this. Fargo, North Dakota is -20. That is insane! New York is supposed to be pretty cold, but it's not even near 0. Well, you guys, you better stay warm because right now is cold and flu season and you don't want to get it. You guys, let me know where you live and what kind of weather. Is it going to be 0 where you're at or even -40? Life on planet surviving that through the storm. Thanks for watching, you guys. I had fun again and we'll see you later. Bye.